All right, guys, welcome back. This is Angela from the App Brewery, and in this module, we're going to be making something really awesome. We're moving upwards in the world, and we're going to be building much, much cooler websites. So in order to teach you about some of the more intermediate/advanced parts of the document object model, or the DOM, I wanted to show you how we can build this drum kit website. So by the end of this module, you would have not only understood how to add event listeners to buttons and keystrokes so that you'll know when the user is tapping on the keyboard or clicking on a particular button on your website, and you can respond to it, but you'll also end up with this awesome website that you can impress all of your friends with. So the way that this works is that we've got a number of keys here that represent different drums in a typical drum set. And when you click on any of these buttons, then you'll get the corresponding sound of the drum. And in addition, you can also use the keys on the keyboard. So now, every time I crack a terrible programming joke, I'll be able to give you a drum roll. So I hope you're ready. It's going to be really exciting. Let's get started in the next lesson.